Because that French heavy tank is awful.
That thing is scary. Look at the size of the barrel. It's the size of my whole tank.
Boop.
When I see a barrel the size of my whole tank, I quiver.
Yeah, I decided to go home.
Decided he is no longer useful to the team, right?
How long we never were.
I got my 2 best tanks already taken out. Hi, Zach.
Hi.
You can't fit in here, Zach. Your chair's too big.
British steel.
Out of my house.
I'm fitting.
British steel.
I'm
Out of my house, Zach.
Wait, why is
Your
there dirt?
tower is too tall.
Wait, there's dirt in
Mama,
the ceiling.
how am I taking 2 hits from a British heavy tank? Help
Zach.
me!
Your chart's too big. You can't come in.
Shut up.
Ouch.
Zach, your
I'm
chart is taller than the doorway.
It's fine.
How am I still alive?
Okay, what if
Someone help me! I'm dead.
Stop shooting my house.
Ah, what are you doing? Alright, new plan. Where are the airplanes? Oh wait, there's an airplane on our team. There's an IL-2. This isn't working.
There's an IS-2 on our team.
There is?
Yep.
There's been
Oh
an
yes!
IS-2 on
We're
our
gonna
team.
win! We're gonna win then! He is impenetrable.
I've seen
Which
airplanes.
in fact that me and Zach can't do anything anymore. Zach's locked me inside the building.
What's up, Isaac? Isaac, you want in?
No.
Help, Isaac, let me free, let me out here. Let me out.
Isaac, go in. Hop
I'm
in,
good.
Isaac.
I said I'm good.
Okay, fine.
I'm good.
You don't
Freedom!
That is torture.
Oh wait, there's a heavy tank going
There's
to our
tanks
spawn.
in our spawn.
Guys, there's a heavy tank going to our spawn. What heavy tank is it? I swear if it's a tiger. Can I sight
Is that Frenchies? There's Frenchies. There's Frenchies.
The tigers are on our team.
Okay. There's a Dicker
American
Max.
tiger?
That's not any difference.
That thing has the same. That thing has a bigger cannon. That thing should be scarier. Why is there an ASU?
It's 37.
AC-57.
Aircraft.
So cute.
Oh, there's one.
Haha, Sherman. Oh, I hit the tree. Are you joking? Ash, you're so bad. Come on, reload. Maybe I can pin the tiger. Or not the tiger. Oh god, tiger. Ouch!
That's a jumbo.
Why is there an
E2?
Why is there why is there SB2M in our game or AR2?
Why is there a Sherman killing me?
Is this a jumbo?
Oh, yes, you just raped the Sherman. Yes, you just raped the Sherman.
Also, jumbos aren't even that tough, dude. I can take them all with my Shermans.
We're using 3-0s against 5-17.
Damn, I use 3
I just broke my gun breech on the ceiling of a building by ramping too hard into it.
Hold up, I want in.
No, Zach, no, get out of my house.
Everybody get out of my way,
where's the
get
airplanes?
out of my way.
Ooh, what's this?
It's me.
Ah, Zach, who hit? Stop. No, I'm trying to shoot at someone. Bro, yes, make it fly towards us.
Can you stop carrying stuff down outside? I can see stuff breaking out there, Zach.
Stop that.
Ouchie mama! Are you joking?
This is an amazing game.
I'm gonna lose so many lions.
I really hope you die.
Run away!